Hello, and welcome to another tutorial of Patron. Today, our workshop will be using lists and groups. So, the first thing we will gonna do is opening a new file, and we will save it on the same folder that you launched Patron. In this case, I will be naming my file Fairing. Be sure that your tolerance is default, and that your analysis code is MSC Nestran. Once you check, click OK. We'll proceed to create a model geometry. So, click on Geometry, select on Object Point, Method XYZ, and we will enter the coordinates on the point coordinates list that will be 30, 0, 0. Then apply. Next, we want to change the object to curve, and the origin the origin coordinates will be 50, 40, and 0. And the vector coordinates leads will be 0, 120, 0. Now we will change it. We will keep the object curve and we will change the method for point. And we will select uh, the point from 1 and 2. So it might look like this. Next, we'll go to Geometry, Create Object Surface, Method Revolve. On axis, we'll type chord 0.2 and in total angle 360. Remember, always turn off auto execute. And on curve list, just select the two curve we just made. To have another perspective of this of what we're doing, go to menu, viewing angles, and type on angles 30, 0, 0. Then apply. Now we are going to menu, display geometry, and we will change the number of display lines to 3. Then apply. Okay, we're going to create the mesh sheet. So we'll go to we'll go to elements or meshing and we'll type an object mesh sheet and the number of elements will be 36. On curve list, select just the top part of the figure. We type one way. Instead of number of elements, we will put L1 and L2. On L1, we will put 7 and on L2, 10. Turn off auto execute. On curve list, select the longest curve. Now we'll create another one. So we'll change the values for L1 to 4 and L2 to 7. On curve list, select curve 2 or the small one. Then apply. So the object should look kind of like this. We'll create another mesh. So we'll change the object to mesh and type surface. This time we will select quad, isomet, and quad 4 for topology. The surface must be the entire and we click apply. I recommend to remove the labels by clicking in hide labels icon and decrease the point size. Ah, and also remove the display lines by clicking on display lines icon. Now, click on plot erase icon and click on erase under fem. Then OK. We'll create another mesh. So, this time the object will be mesh and the type curve. On the surface list, we will select the three surface edges as I do. Remember to select the three at the same time, just hold shift. Then click apply. Okay, just to observe the free edges, we will change the action on the mesh to verify. The display type must be free edges and we click apply. Now next, to verify that everything is alright, we have to change the action to equivalence. Then apply. Once that we check, we will return to our format. So I will change the equivalence again. Okay, next. The first thing we gotta do is on clicking on plot erase icon and click on femplot and OK. Now we're going to menu group create. On the new group name, we will type fem. Be sure that you check the unpost all other groups box, and for group contents, you have to select add all fem. Then apply. We're going to create our material. So go to properties, isotropic, and now on the material name type alum 1. Click on input properties and type the values that are shown on the video. Then click OK and apply. We'll be creating another material. So on the material name, type alum 2, then input properties, and type the information that is given in the video. Click OK and apply. So now we're going to check the fields. We'll go to the field section on properties and select the one that says spatial. We click on that. The method that we're using will be PCL function. On file name, type thickness. The scalar function, type what we will show on the video. Then click apply. We will create another one. So change the field name for temperature. And the scalar function, change it for the one that we'll show you in the video. Then click apply. We will create a shell. So go to the properties. On properties, go to the properties and look for the one that says shell. On the property set name, type prop1. Input properties, select the material that you create, the one that says alum1, and on thickness, click on this and select the one that says thickness. Then click OK. We'll go to select application region. On select application region, for this part, we will be selecting this area. Then click apply. We're creating a second shell, so change the set name to prop2. On input properties, select the material alum2, and on thickness, select the only one, thickness. Click OK and go to select application region. On select application region, we are selecting this region. Unselected, you'll click add, OK, and apply. For the next step, we're creating a temperature boundary. So we're going to load BCS. The object will change it to temperature. The type will be nodal. On the new set name, we'll be typing temp. Now go to input data. On input data, select the blank that says temperature. Select the temperature that says on the special fields. Then click OK. On select application regions, make sure that your geometry filter is FEM. And on select nodes, you must select all the model. Then click OK and apply. Okay, we'll go to menu, display, load BC element props, and on the load BCS, we will go down, a little bit down, to the one that says temperature. We will uncheck the box, then we'll click apply. Okay, now we're going to create a list and a group to filter. So we're going to menu, tools, list, create. Then on object, it must be element and the method attribute. On attribute, we will select the one that says material. On extending materials, we'll put alum1. Make sure that your target list for this one is A. Then apply. Okay, so we're going to properties. On properties, go to the action side and instead of create, look for the one that says show. On existing properties, click on thickness. Make sure that in display method, it says scalar plot. And select groups, it must be select the current viewport and it must be select also FEM. Then click apply. Okay, now we're creating another list. So go to tools, list, create, object element, method attribute, and on attribute, we will select the one that says fringe value. On fringe tools, we will select the default fringe. TLC, we will make sure that it is 0.005. And on F, it must be greater than 0.98. Target list for this one will be B. So click apply, and if the list B pops up, just click cancel. Now we're creating a Boolean list. So we'll go to tools, list, Boolean, and we'll click on the operation that says intersect. We'll click on replace A and cancel. Okay, now that is done, we'll go back to load BCS. On actions, we will put the one that says plot contours. Object temperatures. On existing sets, it must appear a one that says temp. So we select that. And on a select data variable, select the one that says temperature. Then click apply. It will create something like this. We'll create another list. Go to menu, tools, list, create. On object, it must set element. On attribute, click on fringe value. Now f must be greater than 230. The target list will be B. Okay, and for the pop-up, you must click on list B, clear. Once clear, click apply. Okay, now we are creating another Boolean list. So we'll go back again to menu, list, Boolean, and we're going to click on clear, and we'll be selecting again the intersect icon. Now click on add to group. On add to group, we will type on group name common quotes and make sure that fem is selected. Then click apply. Then cancel. Now we're heading up to menu, group, post, and we'll on select group to post, we will click on common quotes. Then apply. We will change the orientation to ISO 1 view. It might look like this. Okay, we are going to create two new groups. We'll click on reset graphic icon. Then we'll go to the menu, group, create, and on method it must be property set. The group name will be prop1 group, and the property sets must be selected the prop1. Then click apply. We'll create two, so on the group name you change the name to prop2 group, and in property sets select the one that says prop2. Then apply. Okay. Okay, so now we're changing the coloring. So we go to menu, display, entity coloring and labeling, and we're going to make sure that in entering color and labeling, group is selected. Target groups, prop1 group must be selected. And on render style, we will put wireframe. Then click apply. Now, for the second group, we will select prop2 group. The render style will be hidden lines. In the shade color, I will put it blue. Then click apply and cancel. Okay, we're almost done. So we will go to for the last step, we're going to change the view. Just click on ISO 3 view, then go to menu, group, post, and on select groups to post, click on prop1 group, then click apply. And for the last step, just select the prop2 group and click apply. At the end, it should look something like this. Thanks for watching and expect more videos. My name is Armando Bodines. Thank you for watching.